So here we have the title or the name of our project, which can be changed as we go further. So you don't need to worry about it that much. Just choose one, for example, my first document. And here, as you see, we have sizes to this document of ours, We have width and we have height, and we have the unit to these sizes. So we have pixels, points, picos, inches, feet and inches, yards, millimeters, centimeters, and meters. So we basically work with pixels as the default. I did mention that this is vector and we don't have any pixels involved. Yes, and I still say that. But if that's the case, why do we have pixels over here? Because we use pixels for sizing. This is about sizing, not the design. The design does not include any pixels in most cases. So we have the sizes. We can set width and height over here, and then it will give us, so it will provide us with the orientation of our project. If we change it, as you see, these numbers will replace each other and their position will change. We also have artboards. So this was an option in Photoshop, so you could have it or not. But in Illustrator, you must have it. So all we have and all we work with is artboards. So you can specify the number of them that you need inside the project. So after we create this new project, we will be able to manage that very easily. So don't worry about that at all as well. So I set it to 1, but I may need more, I can change that in the future. And here we have color mode. So I've talked about color mode before in the Photoshop course, but I want to say that again. We have two very common color modes that we have over here. So what color modes are about is basically the colors that will create your colors, something like that. So the main colors that will combine and create every color that you use inside your project, and it is about what those colors are. So basically, we have two of these color modes. We have RGB, so it's red, green, blue. And we have CMYK, so we have cyan, magenta, yellow, and black. And how it works is that in lighting and in screens, the actual creator colors of those lights that we see in screens and in devices, so it could be television, it could be laptop, it could be mobile devices or whatever. What we see there is created out of red and green and blue. So this is the color mode for lighting. But in printers, every single printer that you see, at least most of them, are using and are following this type of color system. So printers create every color that we print out of these 4 colors. And what do you need to do? Now you understood what they are. What do you need to do and what do you need to specify over here? Well, if you are using your project as a digital based project, so it is going to be only on screens, on mobiles, whatever, you can use RGB. But if you are specifically working in order to print it eventually, you can use CMYK. And this is changeable as well. So you can create a design, an art in the RGB mode, and then you can convert it to CMYK. That's possible as well. But this is what color modes are all about. We also have the resolution that we had in Photoshop. If you've been there, you know that I said we have 72 pixels per inches for screens, and we have 300 pixels per inches for printing. So what does it do here? What is this doing here? It was about pixels as well. Why do we have it over here? Because as it says, we have raster effects. So Illustrator is mainly and basely working with vectors, but sometimes some specific effects, like some kinds of very specific shadows or something like that, will work in pixels, will still be operating in the raster form. And they are called raster effects. And this resolution that we specify over here will be used for that purpose. So after all, I click create, and we will see that my first ever Illustrator project is created. The video you just watched is a part of the Takeoff College, the smartest alternative currently available for the traditional education. If you are looking for improving your real-world skills with project-oriented courses, or if you are looking to increase the value of your time on a daily basis as either an employee or a business owner, for over 15 courses bundle plus our over 50 upcoming courses and all the updates, plus individual certificates of completion for each course, obtain your lifetime access today, paying our one-time fee with a great discount inside www.thetakeoffcollege.com. Learn more in order to earn more. It's always been like that. See you inside the program.